eggs and then you can swap them out for shoe boxes and you can breed your NFTs and create sneakers. It gets pretty crazy, and I'm going to be honest with you, I don't 100% understand it, just not yet. And now here is the gameplay. And remember, we are not even in beta mode yet. So this isn't really specific, and I'm sure things will change in the near future. And I can't stop this from moving right here. So let me get it where I want it. So we have a single mode, and basically you use stamina to get fit tokens. You get stamina from at least 5 minutes of moving. And then we have challenge mode, which is currently available in the app. And you're going to join weekly and monthly challenges. You're just going to run a race and earn calo and fit tokens. And then we have minting sneakers. This is when you're going to take a few sneakers that you already own, and to simply put it, you're going to breed them into new sneakers. And remember, you can earn by leasing out your sneakers. Speaking of shoes, right here, you can see they are customizable. And let me just say, I hope they don't use this actual model of shoe, because by looking at it, this is a straight up Air Jordan. I think it's a 6, maybe a 7. I'm not 100% sure. But one thing I am 100% sure is Jordan will sue them. So they better take care of that. And like I said, you can rent your shoes out to earn even more fit and calo token, and you can mint new sneakers. Upon entering the calo metaverse, players will equip themselves with sneakers to participate in virtual challenges. Beginning with running and walking, players will conquer challenges and receive fit token to continue participating in the next activities on the app. Players have the right to trade sneaker on the app's marketplace as well as upgrade their sneakers. Now, going over the tokenomics of the calo token, we can see 48%, and I like what they're calling this, is going towards proof of health mining. That's going to be that burn to earn mechanism. 11% is going to go towards the community, 10% towards development, 16% for investors, only 5% on the liquidity. I would like to see more in the liquidity, I'm not going to lie. And then 10% is going towards the core team. Scrolling down, we can see the token demand. This is how you're going to use the tokens within the app or the dApp. Now, as far as customizing your sneakers, you're going to be charged in the calo token. Now, the boosting fee, sneaker repair, and sneaker sockets unlocking, whatever that means, you're going to have to use that fit token. And for leveling up your sneakers, shoe minting, and upgrading gems, you're going to be able to use either the calo or the fit token. Now, that's going to do it for that. We're going to dive into the dApp real fast, and then